Want to earn more and live debt-free? Come on, let our feet do the talking. Hey there, feetish. Nice to see your feet once again. Oh, I mean faces. Did I say that? Okay, that was a nice and trying hard joke, okay? Well, we asked a few feet sellers online why they sell their feet pictures. And surprisingly, most of them had more or less the same responses. And we listed the top 3 reasons why you should start selling your feet pictures too. So here are some of the reasons that our top sellers have given us. So one reason is because FeetFinder.com is a legit money-making platform. It can just be your passive income and then later on be your full-time business. So there's plenty of room for growth. It lets you earn money while making acquaintances. It draws out your wild creativity and it lets it be your passion for living. And it also has maximum financial growth and you cannot beat that. Also, because there are feetish people willing to buy and spend money for your foot content, you will always have a stream of income. So if you're broke and feeling financially tight or worse, financially hopeless, go sign up now at FeetFinder.com and start earning. Remember the handy tips and guide if you're new to FeetFinder.com. Make sure that you follow and subscribe to this channel to learn about foot buying and selling so that way you can become a pro. Are you afraid of being scammed? I mean, of course, we got you covered. We also posted a video about that on our channel. Join the Feet Finders community and let your feet do the talking for you. Just relax and take as many feet photos as you can. That's it for today's video. So if you want to ask something about what I showed you earlier today, let me know in the comment section. And I'll be happy to answer any questions for you. Plus, I'll give you a shout out too. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn more about FeetFinder and its legitimacy, because it definitely is legitimate. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever it is that turns you on.